Okay, Saturday, Veterans Day, 11th of November, 2023. Give y'all a little bit different perspective. You get to see what I see. I don't know how well I've got this head camera positioned because I have to guess. Crossing back over into Georgia from Alabama. S22 Ultra GoPro Black 10. I've got an Osmo 1 Action 1 on my head. There's an Osmo Action 3. I stick it down in the water. There's a Samsung S22. I also use the S20 in the side pocket. And that Nikon B600 down there, but I haven't used it in a long time. We're going to be coming up on some cotton fields. I want to get them. You see in the mirror, if you can see what's back there. We're going to turn in up here on the left. Looks like there's a little farm road down the side. I guess we could turn in on the right. I guess a lot of people have probably never even seen a cotton field, you reckon? Well, Celeste's been out there in one picking it. Our 20 amp solar panel. It's trickle charging the two RV batteries in the back. Our Dollar General dark chocolate covered peanuts, $1 a bag. All three of these cameras are recording at 1920 by 1080, 60 frames a second. This head camera may be recording at 30 frames a second. And 16 by 9 aspect ratio. Some cattails over there on the dash. I guess we can go ahead and cut these off and look for something else to video. Or either go back to Vicky's, take a nap, download video, and get it ready for this afternoon tonight, later this afternoon. We stopped in Lyerly and got at the little barbecue place, got us a hamburger and fries. It was $8.50. The hamburger was very good. The fries were very good. You know, a lot of people don't realize there are some mountains in northeast Alabama. And some mountains come down fingerlings into Georgia pretty good. Where does that little road go? I bet it'll go to a dead end and we'd find ourselves talking with somebody on the front porch with a shotgun gun. That's an interesting little road, isn't it? There's water. We see the fire hydrant. I don't see any power poles. Good bit of color, orange, yellows, some reds. Browns, green. I think we're going to turn around. This road's getting smaller and smaller. These little roads usually turn into dirt and then end up in somebody's front yard. I don't want to turn around on this hill. I don't want to back out of here either. I don't want to turn around in their front yard either. We're going to turn around this road right here. Guess we could look at our assistant and see where this stuff goes. See if it leads us out. Sardis Baptist Church Road. How many Sardis Baptist churches are there? 17 million? Okay, let's go ahead and turn this off. All these things off. Okay, there's a pretty nice looking Chevrolet truck, Chevrolet van back here for sale. We're gonna turn around and go back and take a look at it. And I think it's gonna be too nice, too expensive for us, but we'll take a look at it and see. I don't know if the angle of this camera is any good or not. I can't tell. I didn't see this van on the way in. I don't know, or on the way over. I don't know if it was there then or not. I think I would have seen it, but I may not have. And we are on the east side of Lyerly. Or are we already gone through Lyerly? I don't know. I think we've already gone through Lyerly, yeah. And now we're headed back towards Lyerly. And that van's down here on the left. Yeah, they're going way more than I'm going to be willing to pay. That's a nice van. Looks like one of those 915 or 15 passenger vans or something other. Let's take a look at it and see. The smell of wood. I love the smell of cut firewood. Yeah, this is one of those long passenger vans. It is an 04 10,000 3500 series. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that number or not, but I'm not planning on paying. Now see, I could have had that van for less money than I put in mine. But there wasn't anything hardly for sale. That one's a little bit lower to the ground than I would want to, but anyway. Love the smell of this firewood. A lot of people think it stinks. I love it. Pine Ridge Outdoors.